gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Honey. Yeah, my hair is getting long, but whatever. But how is the motherfucking face? The face is snatched, the face is ready to go, the foundation is on. I did the right amount of bronzer this time. I don't know what happened. The previous video, I was bronze, Miss Thing. So, today, you guys, hi, I miss you. It's been a few days, I know. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Wow. Subscribe to my channel, bitch. Like, hello, work, you guys. Today, we're gonna do a look. Now, I posted a photo the other day on my Instagram with this really cool wing like green liner, and I was like, you know what, I was just going at it and just did wing liner, and it was like pretty awesome. People lived for it on my Instagram, so I was like, you know what, today I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. That being said, there are new stuff in here. There's actually one little new thing that I have. Well, they actually sent over a bunch, but ColourPop sent over like a bunch of these cute little shadows. Let me actually show you guys the rest of the shadows. I literally grabbed like what I can grab, but they sent over these little mini shadows. Like, these are so adorable. I do love these. I've actually used these before. They're pretty awesome if you guys love like shimmers and you guys love little single shadows. Like, these are pretty much it. Like, they're really, I mean, they're gorgeous. These two colors literally stood out to me the most. One is called Fruit Punch and this one's called Chirp. It's just like, wow, look at these colors. And I was like looking at this orange and I was like, you know what, today I really want to do like orange. Like, I don't know, I want to do like an orange eye with a little bit of orange liner, you know, kind of like a, you know, something. And then I was thinking, what color complements orange? Maybe like a lavender lip, like a purple lip or something. So I was like, you know what? Let's film that. I tend to do makeup better when I'm not talking about it and when I'm just going at it versus teaching it and going with it. I don't know, it's in my mind. So that being said, you guys, I'm very excited for this look because I am just like obsessed with color lately. I don't know what it is. Like, I've been kind of perfecting my color side versus my neutral side. Now, I have nothing on my eyes besides like oil. And foundation. I'm actually gonna wear bangs today, so I don't know if I'm gonna really prime or do my eyeshadow too much. I'm thinking about something underneath, but let's go ahead and prime the eye because you guys know on my channel, you never know what I'm about to do. Actually, let's go ahead and play with this one today. Urban Decay, this is the signature eye primer that they sent over. They sent over a bunch of these. Now, you guys have definitely seen these in Sephora. These have a very unique kind of bottle, kind of packaging. And honestly, I've used this primer many times. The only experience about these primers that I don't like is that if you don't use it fast enough, it does dry out. That being said, let's just kind of get it all over the eye. And you guys know, like, when it comes to primers, I love a P.LOUISE moment, but this one I've used before. I actually feel like this is probably the first primer I've ever used. And I usually like to go back with the brush and I just kind of like really blend it out to kind of really make it almost seamless. Like, see this little area right here? Like, you don't really want that. The great thing about this primer, you guys, it does come with a little doe foot and you can kind of apply it all over the lid. But see how, like, if you don't buff it out, like, you kind of have to deal with that. That's why I go back in with a beauty blender to kind of really even out, but a brush is fine too. So today we're gonna use a brush. Now, I will be doing white liner today, so I'm gonna go ahead and just apply a little bit of this on the bottom. And then also we're gonna take the brush and just kind of blend that around. All right, guys, so now both my eyes are completely primed. I really want to do like a lavender, like lilac kind of lips, so I'm gonna do an eye that's kind of very simple, very bright, but still gonna go with that because I really want to wear like a purple lip today. Okay, so you guys see this right here? It's because all this right here on my cheeks is set with powders. So this is what happens when you start to mix creams with powders. It starts to kind of create these weird textured dry areas, but it's okay because we're gonna go back in, we're gonna apply a lot of shadow. Let's go ahead and get like a really almost like a soft white base. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my good old friend Jaclyn Hill. This is the highlight compact. I did do a video review on this prior to this video, so if you guys want to check out the review on this, please do. Is the video before this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this color and I'm just gonna really apply it all over my lid. I really want my lid to be really bright today, almost like a frost, like a flat frost all over, because it's gonna really make the orange really stand out. So see how it's really bright there, you guys? I love this. And honestly, a lot of people ask you, like, is it okay to use highlight powders in the eyes. And I'm like, why fucking not? Like, I mean, it's fucking color. That's the great thing about being a makeup artist, you guys. And I know you guys are makeup artists as well. When you look at product, you find ways more things to use it for versus just for what it's supposed to be for. I really do challenge you guys to do that. Like, if you guys are wanting to use a lipstick for an eyeshadow, why not? Fuck it. No one's gonna know besides you, girl. Okay, so I'm getting this highlight powder all over. I really want it to be very bright. So let me just step back a little bit. So let's go ahead and just kind of buff that out. Okay, so I'm gonna jump into the really brighter version of it. I picked a really bright white to really get on that lid. And this is pretty much as much shadow I'm really gonna put on my eyes, excluding the liner. I was gonna do something with white liner today, but I'm gonna save that for something special. Wow, look at that. So just keep applying that. I want it really white, very light, very airy. Oh God, I love the Jaclyn Hill palette, you guys. I really do recommend you guys get it. Now, I want the white liner to be really, really, really white. So I will be using the Kat Von D or KVD Vegan Beauty product. This is called White Out in the Super Brow. You guys can definitely get this at a Sephora. You can get them online on kvdveganbeauty.com or whatever the brand is calling themselves now, because they are definitely just changing their name every year. I do love this product. I stand by this product. This is literally like the best white liner you can possibly buy, and it lasts forever. Okay, I think I used the wrong brush for this. Like, I'm so mad, but whatever. I always just like to get the white on there. Great, I have some in my eye. Like, this stuff is so good. Like, it's kind of a little hard to take off if you don't have the appropriate makeup remover. Okay, or you guys can use a liner, you guys can use anything, but I really do trust this product to be as white as it can be. It's just like I said, one of my favorites. So now go ahead and take another empty clean brush. I'm gonna take a little buff brush just like so. We all have something like this at home, you guys. All right, guys, so taking that brush, and we're just gonna blur out. You don't have to blend out the edges so much because we are gonna go in there with shadows, but this is just a little insurance that it's gonna be like white and clean and perfect. So now we have something like so, and you guys trust the process, okay? Trust the motherfucking process. The fun things are about to begin. So you guys are gonna ask me what orange we're gonna use today. So I have some ColourPop here. So let's kind of see. Actually, I want to swatch this. I'm looking around in my office and seeing like what orange palette do I have. I'm pretty sure these are new. So these are Super Shock Shadows from ColourPop. So what you do is that you kind of undo them, and this is kind of the swatch, which is very light for me. So I actually need an actual orange shadow, and that probably will be really nice on top. So let me go ahead and look for an orange shadow. Perfect, you guys. A VANNGA collaboration with Morphe. There is an orange in here that I think will work. So look at this fire orange right here, you guys. Totally it, you guys. I think that's gonna work perfectly. So let's go ahead and apply that right on top. I mean, actually, let's go ahead and do the bottom first, and then we're gonna take the liner and we're gonna connect it and do something really cool. So taking a little bit of that orange, let's see how it goes. I'm so scared. Wow, that pigment is pretty, it's pretty on there. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's almost like a red orange. And when you put the ColourPop shadow on top, I'm pretty sure it's gonna look really pretty. Maybe I'd do like a little lilac in the corner to kind of really make it like pop, but we'll see. So getting that orange on. Ooh, okay, Avani Greg. Okay, so we love that. It's called You Mad. Oh, I love that. That's so fucking gorge. I just hope it matches this though. Like, do you think that matches? It's a little, she's a little brighter. Okay, so now next, let's go ahead, and I actually think this is a little too light. Look at that. Oh my God. I think this is way more neon than that, but I think it's gonna work. So taking that ColourPop pressed shadow, let's just kind of put it in the corner right here. Oh yeah, see how pretty that is? It definitely like brighten it up a little bit. Oof. Let's bring this up a little bit. I kind of have an idea. Bring that in the corner. Oh, that's pretty. I kind of want this all over my eye. Look how pretty this is. Let's just do it, right? Let's just get this all over the eye. I'm totally gonna just break what I plan to do and just kind of go with it, you guys. Oh my God, this shade is so fucking gorgeous. My plan was to leave the lid on top white and then not have anything on top, but I'm kind of loving this like moment. Okay, so let's just pack that in there. Okay, so now it's time for liner, you guys. Okay. So my idea liner is I kind of want to go like this and I want to bring it here for some reason. Like I want it to go here. Or how do I do this? Let's see. So let's go ahead and kind of see what we're gonna do. I think I kind of want to bring it here. Actually, you know what? Let's do it like this. Oh, I know. Let's bring it here and let's bring it here. So this liner is easy. So this liner, the color liner that I'm using is from Profusion Cosmetics. They literally sent over so many different shades of liners. So I'm kind of seeing like what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do like a liner effect going up and then just meeting here. Like I want the liner to completely meet here. So let's go do that. And then now what I do is I keep my eyes open. I want it to connect like that. See? Ooh, okay. Oh, I totally just winged it. The great thing about this liner, you guys, is it's so fine that you can really create the line size you want. And I love a very thin line. See? How cute is that, you guys? So now we're gonna have to replicate the same thing. Look at this side. This side is so messy. Ooh, I love it. How's that, you guys? Love it. Okay, so now next, I really want something like super bright. Wow, how pretty is that? All right, guys, so I just literally tested a little bit. As you guys saw, I used this color pop. This is Fade Into Hue, and it's also color pop as well. It's multi-different color, rainbow. Like I am literally putting on the color So Precious right here. And I'm just taking the color, I'm just kind of tapping it. Alright, you guys, I literally just got my dream orange eyeshadow, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put on a liner, and then we're gonna pick a lip together. So I'll show you guys what lips. So I'll be right back. Let me get some lashes on, a liner, and then we're gonna put the lips on together. Voila. Wow, you guys. Okay, so I hate putting on bottom lashes, but they do such a big difference. Look how straight my lashes are. I couldn't even get in there and curl them, but I feel like this is fine. Like, I mean, I'm loving this, right? Like, we love this moment. Very simple. I like this little double liner that I'm doing here. It's kind of cute, right? Whatever. So I totally think purple lips would like be amazing for this. Like, well, look at this. Oh my God, that's so cunt. Like, I'm actually really excited about it. And I think it's gonna go really good with the gold. So let's go ahead and get that out, you guys. Let me go ahead and see, like, do I have like a purple lip I can use? Maybe a little Jeffree moment. Okay, so I have Supreme Gloss in Queen Supreme, and I'm gonna combine it with the Morphe Lush Worthy. I used to actually wear a lot of lavender lips, like back in the day when I was like doing drag. Oh my God, look at this. This lash glue is just not my friend today. I've been going back and forth, you guys, about just cutting off my actual lashes because they just don't do anything for me. But I feel like as humans, we need them, right? I feel like they protect your eye or something. Anyways, so let's go ahead and go into this, you guys. So this is Lush Worthy from Morphe, you guys. Like, oof. And I'm gonna color it in. Look how pretty that looks. Wow. Okay, you guys, and also a tip when it comes to like liners and making sure like your line of their lip is straight, just always sharpen it. And then once you guys get the liner that you like, the lip shape that you like, I always like to take my lip pencil and color it in. I actually rarely see people use lip liners nowadays. Like, do you guys still use it? Ooh, I love it. And then now let's go ahead and take the Supreme Gloss from Jeffree Star and let's see what this does on top. Oh wow. That definitely like enhanced it. I was just dreaming of like doing a lilac, like lavender lip. I don't know why. His product smells so good. Oh my God, look at it. I love it. That was so, literally so simple. Now, last but not least, I always do like the final touches. I go back to my foundation. I go back to like my highlight and see like everything is perfected. So pulling out the Jaclyn Hill again, you guys, we're just gonna really brighten up this under area. Just really gives it back like life. Okay, just like that. I don't know what hair I'm gonna wear today, so I'm just gonna really brighten up this area. And then I always take a little eyeshadow brush and let's go ahead and just pinch the nose one more time. Little trick, you guys. This is how you get a little pointed nose, the little dot at the tip. And then last but not least, a little blush. And then a very light bronzer to kind of just really tie back in. All right, you guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go decide what to do with this hair and show you guys the final look. Oh my goodness, you guys, I literally, girl, it's been an adventure to get this whole look together. I'm honestly feeling like I'm about to go to like the islands and go on vacation or something. Like, I don't know what it is, but I think I like it. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for viewing this tutorial. I hope you guys got some tips and tricks from this. I was feeling orange, I was feeling lavender, purple. Like I said, you guys, videos out every single week. Make sure you guys are subscribing to this channel. I would love to see you guys again. You guys have a great weekend. Let me know what you guys think. Can you guys rate this look? Let me know what you guys think, because I honestly, like, I rarely do color and things like that. So let me know. 1 to 10, 10 being like yes girl and 1 being like girl never again. I love you, and I will see you guys after this weekend.